We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Lexmark CX410 printer. The problem we've been having is we've been getting lines and blemishes on our copies and our scans. That's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So we're going to show you how to clean that scanner glass. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the top of your scanner. When you do that, you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face-down copies, and then there's a small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And in case you've ever wondered what that piece of glass is for, whenever you're making copies or scans and you're using this top document feeder, all that's being copied or scanned on the small strip of glass here on the left. So depending on when you're seeing those blemishes occurring, if you're noticing it when you're doing your face-down copies, and it's going to be on this large plate glass here. If you're noticing those blemishes occurring when you're using the top document feeder, that means you're going to want to focus your cleaning on the small strip of glass here on the left. So that's just a good troubleshooting tip, so you can kind of focus your cleaning in a certain area instead of trying to clean everything to try to figure out what's going on. So once you have that figured out, in order to clean it, what you're going to need is a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. If you apply the cleaner directly to the glass on the printer, there's a good chance it could seep underneath the glass, and then you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. And once you have the cleaner on your cloth, we can go ahead and wipe down the glass. You want to make sure you remove any kind of lint, dust, dirt, fingerprints, built up ink, especially from this little small strip of glass on the left from the automatic paper feed. It's really common to find built up ink, whiteout, tape, things like that that have kind of just collected over time. Just keep in mind some of those spots can be a little stubborn. You got to go over them more than once to get rid of it all. So give it a good wipe down. Give it a visual inspection afterwards. Make sure you don't see anything remaining on the glass. Once you're happy the way everything looks, I would recommend doing a test copy or a test scan. Using both methods since we cleaned both pieces of glass, making sure that you're not getting any blemishes and everything's looking good. If you're still getting slight blemishes, then that would mean there's still something that's on that glass. It's a little harder to see. Just go ahead and repeat that cleaning process again. That should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your office supply or printer supply needs, please feel free to reach out, and we'd love to help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.